Doesn't matter, you come once more. My mother does not work. Ma, we are going on a school excursion. Rosie ma'am needs volunteers. Volunteers meaning I have written on board a person who does some sort of work to help others without being forced or without being paid. Okay, so Rosie ma'am needs volunteers. Can't you take a holiday from office and volunteer? Hermits' mother always comes for excursions because she doesn't work. Shonali, how can you say that? You know that Jaspreet auntie is up at 5 a.m. every day doing all the housework. Yes, but that's not real work. It's just housework. So, housework is not treated by us as some sort of real work. Children, just assure me whether I am audible and visible to you properly. Kindly, just assure me. Thank you. Okay, oh, that's what you think, do you? Let's go over to their house and ask Jaspreet what she thinks. Harsharan, so at the Singh's house, Harsharan, Sonali thinks that your wife is not a working person. But isn't that correct, auntie? My mother is a housewife. She does not work. Even the son is saying the same manner. Then Jaspreet, why don't you just relax and let them manage everything for a change? So here this one, Harmeet is a boy only. So, great idea. Okay, I will go on strike tomorrow. What fun. We'll take care of everything tomorrow with Papa. Next morning, 7:30 a.m. Oh God, look at that time. Where's my breakfast? Why aren't the children ready? So as usual, as normal days, it happens that there's a person, that means his name is Harsharan. He finds that everything is at proper place, his breakfast is ready, the children they are ready, but he had forgotten that on that particular day, his wife, there's Mrs. What is her name? Mrs. Jaspreet, she is on strike and she will not be helping in just completing any sort of chores on that day. So how would I know? I'm on strike, remember. Besides, Mangala has also taken leave today. So Mangala, the domestic help, she is also on leave on that day. Or she has taken a leave. Better to say taken leave, not our leave. Taken leave on that day. Oh, that's the school bus. I'll have to drop them in the car. So the first thing which was missed was that the children, they were not able to get their school bus. And their father, this Mr. Harsharan, he had to drop them. Hurry, and ask Harmeet to switch on the pump. Come to the next page. But what about the kids' lunch boxes? The mother, the worried mother, she's asking. Oh no, forgot about that. Father, he is not accustomed with all these works, so that's why he had forgotten. I'll give you some money. Just buy something from the canteen today. Ma already gave us money for that. So the mother knew very well that this will be the scenario. That's why she has already given the children money. Ding ding, I'm exhausted. How about some tea? Oh, I forgot. Your strike. I will make some myself. The house looks like it was hit by a hurricane, so everything was just in a topsy-turvy condition, not anything at their proper place. You can remember that poem which you have studied in class 5, that topsy-turvy land. Okay, in similar manner, because it looked like it was hit by a hurricane. Did you expect it to remain in exactly the same condition in which you left it this morning, dear? So now, Mrs. Every time I'm forgetting the name. Her name is Jasprit. Jasprit. She was just in some sort of criticizing way. She said to her husband, "Do you think that everything will be in proper condition the way you have left them during the time of morning or when you have left the house?" "Hermit, where on earth are the tea leaves? He, I wonder if they still believe I don't work. And now I have to remind them that Chachaji and Chachiji are coming for dinner." So another thing. First of all, the whole day, it was a type of just everything not in correct condition or in appropriate manner. Moreover, now Chachaji and Chachidi, they are coming for dinner, and this Mr. Harsharan, he had to cook. Valuing housework. Hermit's family did not think that the work Jasprit did within the house was real work. Forget about Hermit's family. Just think in your mind, do we think that our parents or our family members who are staying at home and keeping everything in proper order or in such a manner that everything we must get in our hand when we require them, that they are not actually working? That means, do we really think that they are also working? We don't. We really consider these household chores or these household works as real works. We think these are all houseworks. These are very easy. And the person who is busy in all these things, actually that person is not doing any work, not a real work. But just imagine when you are not getting the things at the correct place in your hand during the time of your need, will you say the same thing? That this keeping or arranging the things in proper manner, in proper place is actually some sort of real work, part of real work. And we must be thankful to those people. In most of the families, mothers, they are doing all this. So we must be thankful to our family members who are helping us every time with all this sort of needs, with all this sort of our requirements. They are going on fulfilling our requirements. They are going on making the provision so that we can get everything very near or right in our hand at the time of its requirement. So this feeling is not unique to their family. Unique means unlike. I have written it on board, unlike anything else. So, across the world, the main responsibility for housework and caregiving tasks, like looking after the family, especially children, the elderly and sick members, lies with women. Yet, as we have seen, the work that women do within the home is not recognized as work. It is also assumed that this is something that comes naturally to women. So we just feel that this is their work of women, and it is their natural matter. It is already there in them, and when the time comes, they start acting automatically according to these requirements or according to this need. It therefore does not have to be paid for, and society devalues this work. I think the most important way of or the most valuable payment which we can pay for this sort of works done at home is just we must be thankful to them deep from the core of our heart. We must be thankful to them. We must be grateful to them. We must love them. We must respect them and their work. This is the only payment for this sort of works done at home. So let's check the meaning of these devalues. Come to this glossary. So devalued we can get here when someone is not given due recognition for a task or job they had done. They can feel devalued, as every day in our family also the same incident is going on. No, our parents who are there at home to complete or to just do all this sort of household works, their works are actually devalued, and that's why they also feel devalued. For example, if a boy has put in a lot of effort into making a special birthday gift for his friend and this friend does not say anything about this, then the boy may feel devalued. Okay. So, another one, caregiving. Caregiving refers to a range of tasks related to looking after and nurturing. Besides physical tasks, they also involve a strong emotional aspect. That means taking care. Let's read once more. Caregiving refers to a range of tasks related to looking after and nurturing. Besides physical tasks, they also involve a strong emotional aspect. If you are not having any love or you are not showing any kindness, then that caregiving will not come, or that work cannot be done properly. So children, with this we have come to the end of the class. So before my class gets over, you kindly see the meanings which I have written on board. Volunteer meaning I have written a person who does something for helping others without being forced or paid. That means the person is not forced or the person is not paid. The person does that work just because he or she feels to help others. The meaning of assumed I have written. Assumed means supposed to be the case, and unique means unlike anything else. So children, with this our class gets over here. If you are having any query or doubt, you can ask me. I'm waiting. If you are having any query or doubt, you can ask me. No problem, sir. Okay. Thank you, children. Bye.